Versace, Gucci, Barilla. Oh mamma mia! If you love Italy and Italian brands, you may want to make sure that you are pronouncing them right. So today I'm going to teach you exactly that. And I'm also going to share some details about the history of the brand so you can get to know them better. If you're new here, benvenuto, welcome. And if you're not, bentornato, welcome back. I'm Valentina Stella, native Italian teacher, and I'm here to help you learn and improve your Italian while also getting to know the Italian culture better. So, iniziamo. Let's begin. Okay, let's start with cars. The most known brand of Italian cars is definitely Ferrari. Ferrari. This was founded by Enzo Ferrari in 1939 in Modena. And it's interesting that Enzo initially didn't intend to produce broad cars, but just to fund his racing team called Scuderia Ferrari. Ferrari. Next one is Lamborghini. Lamborghini. And I know this can be quite a mouthful. Just remember that when in Italian we have an H, that turns the G sound or the C sound into a hard one. So this is never Lamborghini, it's always Lamborghini. And this was established by Ferruccio Lamborghini in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Ferruccio was actually a former tractor manufacturer who decided to create sports cars to compete with, guess who? Ferrari. Lamborghini. Now let's talk about fashion. One of the most well-known Italian fashion brands is definitely Gucci. Gucci. So keep in mind that when you have a C followed by E or I in Italian, it's a soft sound, like in the word church. Also, this is a double C, so we have two C's, so you need to elongate it a little bit. So it sounds like this, Gucci. Gucci. This was founded by Guccio Gucci in 1921 in Florence. And Guccio was actually inspired by the sophisticated luggage he saw while working at the Savoy Hotel in London. Gucci. Next one is Prada. Prada. This was established in 1913 by Mario Prada in Milan. And Prada initially focused on high-quality leather goods, and this way it quickly became a favorite among Italian aristocracy, becoming the official supplier of the Italian royal family, the Savoia. Prada. Next one is Armani. Armani. This was founded by Giorgio Armani in 1975 in Milan. And Giorgio revolutionized fashion with his unstructured jackets, and the brand has been known since then for its sleek and luxurious fabrics. Armani. Next we have Versace. Versace. Now keep this in mind, whenever you have an Italian word ending in E in English, that's pronounced as E in Italian. Always, always. So this is never going to be Versace, it's going to be Versace. This was created by Gianni Versace in 1978 in Milan. And Versace is famous for its bold and extravagant designs, often featuring the Medusa logo and the Greek key pattern. Versace. Next we have Dolce & Gabbana. Dolce e Gabbana. So remember, e means and in Italian, so that's how we say that. Not Dolce and Gabbana, but Dolce e Gabbana. This was founded in 1985 by Domenico Dolce from Sicily and Stefano Gabbana from Milan. And the brand is well known for its Sicilian-inspired designs. Dolce e Gabbana. Molto bene. Let's move on to food. Of course, we couldn't skip food in an Italian brand's pronunciation. So here you have them. The first one I want to share with you is 𝗬𝗧𝗧. 𝗬𝗧𝗧. This was founded in 1895 by Luigi Lavazza in Turin. And Luigi actually invented the concept of blending coffee beans from different regions, from different areas to create unique flavors. And still nowadays is one of the most consumed coffee brands in Italy. Lavazza. Next one is Barilla. Barilla. This was established in 1877 by Pietro Barilla in Parma. And it grew from a very small bakery to become the world's largest pasta manufacturer. And I think you would have a hard time finding an Italian household who doesn't have at least one package of Barilla pasta. Barilla. Okay, and finally, another favorite of mine regarding pasta brands, and that's 𝗓𝗏𝗂. 𝗓𝗏𝗂. This was founded in 1886 by the 𝗓𝗏𝗂 brothers in Fara San Martino, a small town near Chieti in Abruzzo. 𝗓𝗏𝗂 is known for its high-quality pasta that's made from a traditional method that ensures a superior product. 𝗓𝗓𝗂. 𝗓𝗓𝗂. There you have it, 10 world-famous Italian brands and how to pronounce them correctly. So now you're ready to come shopping to Italy, or if you're not, you can still impress your friends with your Italian pronunciation skills. Now let me know which one of these was your favorite, and also if there's any other Italian brand or Italian word that you would like to know how to pronounce correctly. Let me know by leaving a comment down below and I will collect them for future videos. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Ci vediamo al prossimo video. Ciao da Valentina!